Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see the new concept regarding the C Sharp 12. Actually, it is the latest release packaged with new features to streamline your code and boost performance in .NET 8. So today we are going to see the C Sharp 12 features and what are the features new added in the C Sharp 12 lab, because the C Sharp 12 is the latest version for the C Sharp side, and what purpose the basically that features are being used in our application, so that we are going to see the today. So in real time how that C Sharp 12 features are useful for us to minimize or optimize our code, so that we are going to see today. First feature is, we can say, it's a primary constructor for classes and structures. So what exactly this? So primary constructor simplifies like how we define and initialize properties directly in class declarations. So now we can declare properties right in the class definition. This minimizes boilerplate code, especially in classes with simple properties. So we will take one example like in Visual Studio Code, like how it will be the useful for us, and how the previous before the C Sharp 12 feature it was, and how the in C Sharp 12 it will be, we can use that. So that we will see in the one example we will take. So suppose this is the one constructor here and one class I have added here. Under that classes I have two properties, and I have added one constructor, and this constructor is accepting two parameters, and that two parameters I assign to for the particular properties. So this is the simple constructor and simple class for the old behavior before the C Sharp 12 feature, and this way only we are all declaring the properties and assigning in the constructors. So in the C Sharp 12, what is that feature is? So the feature is basically we can replace this code with a very minimal and very simple code approach, and we can transform this code with this. So if you can see this one, public bank account. So this is the class. So from this class only we are taking the parameter here, string account ID and string owner, and here inside this class we added just property, and whatever that values are coming, that we are mapping with these properties. So here no need to create extra constructor, and this is the very useful benefit for this feature in a C Sharp 12, because what previously we saw right already, we have to create one class, and before in the inside that class we need to create properties, and after that properties we need to create constructor, and that mapping we need to add there. But here we can, creating the class time only, directly we can add the parameters whatever for that particular constructor, and that parameter directly we can map to the particular properties. And this is the very useful benefit, this is the very useful feature for this C Sharp 12, so that we can achieve in our applications. So mostly in our applications we are going to use the constructors classes, right? So this will very helpful for you to add this way for the further use. Okay, second feature for the C Sharp 12. So this is a collection expressions. So that what exactly that collection expressions? So if you can see, the simplifies collection initialization, making arrays list or a span declaration more readable. Collection expressions allow us to initialize multiple types of collections using a single syntax. So we were going to see the one example here, like how it will be used, that collection expressions in our applications, how the previous behavior before the C Sharp 12 feature, and now in a C Sharp 12 how we can use that in our C Sharp language. So that collection expression we are going to see here. So now if you can see here, so this is the old behavior of the collections. Like this way we are defining the collections arrays or a list of arrays. So this way, integer array, number of array, new integer array, and then we are assigning the values for the particular array. Same way for the list, we are adding the list integer number list, and then new list of integer, and then assigning the values for this. But in a C Sharp 12 we no need to write anything extra here. So instead of this we can directly customize the code, and we can write this way. And this is the, we can see here, just we can added the integer array, and directly we are assigning the values. We are not adding anything like new integer again, and anything extra. For the list case also, you can see here new list integer we added, but here we no need to add. If you have any list, directly we can bind here, and we are not adding any extra code here. And this is the very useful feature in C Sharp 12. Basically we are using the collection mostly in our real-time applications, and definitely this will help that features to improve our application, optimize the code time. It will be really helpful feature for this in C Sharp 12. So same way, new feature in a C# 12, and this is a spread operated in collection expressions, and it is allow element from multiple collections so to be combined in one expressions. The new spread operator simplifies like combining collections, allowing us to add multiple connection together collections together. So what exactly that? So we will see one example here. If you can see here, so before C# 12 features, we are adding the arrays like this way, and also we are concatenating these arrays this way. So same way, if you can see, we are combined arrays here, right? This is the output for this two arrays, right? So these two arrays were just combined in the third array, and this way we are concatenating this array. So in a C# 12 there is a one features, and it is a spread operator. Using that spread operator we can combine multiple arrays in a one combined array, and there we can directly show that in output. So if you can take one example here with the in C sharp 12, in C sharp 12, if you can see, so this way we can directly bind with this way, and he will directly replicate that arrays. So if you can see here integer array, so directly we are adding that arrays this way, and using the spread operator directly we can bind these arrays here, and this will directly generate that output with the combination of these two. With 7 and 8 we are adding the extra values, and here if you can take one example again, if you can adding third array here, and that array also if you want to add, so same use the spread operator, and here you can add this array. So this array again comes in your combined arrays, and this will also this numbers array third array also include in your combined array. And this is the very useful feature in a C# 12, and this is the helpful in a collections. So simply we are taking the values from the database side, or any multiple lists if you are taking, so that is the very important features. So using this you can directly combine that arrays. So these are the basically features of the C# 12, and it will be help. So there are multiple features in a C# 12, but in a real time mostly we are using these features, so that's why I just added these features to showcase you like how we can express with this. That's a wrap on C# latest features. I hope you are excited as I am to try this in your own projects. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment like which feature you will use first.